Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's lesson on reading and writing numbers in standard form, word form, and expanded form. Alright, let's get started.
Jed Official Beats.
Let's start with a number that we all should know, 315. Now we're starting with that because we're going to read it the same way, but we're going to shift it into the thousands to show you how we read bigger numbers that have place values into the thousands. Alright, so let's say we have this number. Notice there's a comma right after the thousands place. That gives us a clue as to how to say this number. So we would say 315,000. Alright, let's make another number. Let's add a digit in the thousands place to show how we would read this number. Again, remember the comma is where you insert the word thousands. So we would say 6,315. Alright, let's add another digit into our number. Learn how to read this. Now notice we have 26 before the comma, so we would say 26,315. Alright, let's add one more digit to see how we would say this. Now again, you always look at what's before the comma, so I see we have 726,315. When you're given a number with just its digits, that's called standard form. So now let's take this number in standard form and put it into word form. So we see we have 9,205. And now we've taken the standard form and turned it into word form. Alright, now we're going to look at expanded form, which is when you look at each place value and write out its value. So we have a 9,000 plus, we have a 2 in the hundreds place, so plus 200. 0 tens, so we don't need to worry about that, plus 5 ones. So 9,000 plus 200 plus 5. Alright, let's do another number. Remember, always to use your comma as the dividing point where to throw in the word thousand. So we have 659,527. And there's the top is our standard form, and then we have our word form underneath. Alright, let's look at our expanded form now, where we write out each different place value. So we have 600,000 plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 20, and then finally plus 7. And there's the expanded form of our number, 659,527. Alright, let's look at one last example on how to read and write this number. So whenever you see numbers, you should always look at the commas and see what's before it. So here we have 70,000, and afterwards we only have a 5, so we're going to say 70,005. Alright, now let's write it in expanded form by place value. So we have a 7 in the 10,000s place, so we'll say 70,000 plus 5. So there you have the 3 different forms of this number, the standard form, the written form, and the expanded form. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.
Created using Powtoon.